Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 3 of our training. 1. TikTok video production, editing and content strategy. Camera orientation. Always record vertically, 9:16 ratio, to fit the native TikTok format. Audio quality. Viewers will forgive poor video quality, but they will never forgive poor sound. Action. Record in a quiet room, away from background noise. Pro tip. Use wired earphones as a microphone for clearer sound. Lighting. This is your one priority, because a dark video loses viewers immediately. Lighting do's and don'ts. Best lighting setup. What to avoid. Sit near a window during the day, filming in a dark room. Face the light source, never let it be behind you. Light behind you creates an accidental silhouette effect. Use a ring light or a lamp at night. Flickering or harsh overhead lighting. Pro tip. Clean your phone, camera lens with a soft cloth before every single shoot to avoid blurry footage. 2. The 3-part video formula. To keep viewers hooked and drive results. Structure your videos using this reliable framework. 1. The hooks 0 to 3 seconds. Grab attention immediately. Ask a burning question or show something highly surprising. Example. Can't find affordable quality clothes. Here's where to look. 2. The body 3 seconds. Deliver your main value. Showcase your product, share actionable tips, or tell your story in detail. 3. Call to action CTA. Tell your viewers exactly what to do next. Examples. Like and follow for Warrior link in bio to order now. 3. Editing with CapCut. CapCut is a free app available on the Play Store and App Store, widely used by creators globally. Key features to focus on include trimming, cut out boring silences, mistakes, or slow moments to keep the pace fast and snappy. Auto captions. Automatically convert your speech into on-screen text, essential for the large audience that watches videos on mute. Effects and transitions. Add eye-catching transitions between clips to make the final product look polished and professional. 4. High-performing content types. If you are wondering what kind of videos to make, these 3 formats perform exceptionally well on the platform. Educational. Teach your audience about your product or niche, show its features, how it works, and why it is valuable to them. Behind the scenes, show the real side of things, like packing orders, setting up your workspace, or interacting with customers. This builds trust and authenticity. Storytelling. Share relatable anecdotes, for example. A customer came in today, and what happened was hilarious. Stories create strong emotional connections. Practical assignment. To put this into action, try this quick exercise. 1. Download CapCut. 2. Film a 15-second vertical video about yourself or a business idea. 3. Import it into CapCut to trim mistakes, adjust the audio, and add text overlays. 4. Practice repeatedly until you feel natural and confident on camera. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe channel. Bye bye.